Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit watermark picture in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to edit watermark picture in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click Header option, choose Normal Header. Then click the picture and go to the picture format menu. Then edit the picture. Change the contrast or brightness, anything. Otherwise apply shadow, reflection, etc. You can recolor this picture. Otherwise reset the picture or compress picture. You can apply border or white. Then go to the header and footer option, choose close header and footer. Now we can see we edit the watermark picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.